Yeah, you may. I agree. I think something like that. All right, so we gotta get this thing.
You guys have to get the
Now,
two wires.
Connor, do you know? See this safety thing? I guess you put that in
I don't know. Ask
and
Ben.
then press the button.
Ask Ben. Ben has one.
I'm sure that's the safety thing.
What's that?
This orange,
That goes in.
and then you press it, right? So it's a
Right.
safety.
Yeah.
All right, stand clear, kids. Stand clear. Do you know? I guess it doesn't matter which one. Don't step on those metal things.
All right. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just look into that and shoot it.
Just a shield. Okay. No one can pass this way.
Should we move over to that thing? So
Are you recording?
in the center?
No,
Are you
it's fine.
recording?
Yeah. So it's over here.
What is this called? What is that? What is that?
The Amazon.
Yes. I'll try
So the same thing. Oh, whatever.
Jessica, no, it can't fly. It can't fly, just goes up and comes down.
One goes on the right.
But it
Yeah.
can't fly. It goes up to 500. Why can't they do this?
Don't clip the paper with it. Just want the metal. I guess it doesn't matter. Don't matter. Just leave
No,
it.
you have to have it on the middle. Stop. It doesn't matter.
Really matters?
It doesn't matter.
Probably you don't want it on the paper,
All right, so let's take it off then.
But it doesn't matter.
but it doesn't matter.
Wait. Yeah, that's.
You got it.
Yeah, you'd rather have it on the middle, but it doesn't matter. It hits me in the head. If it hits Stevie, also.
You know, a surgeon this guy is not. So. All right, things are locked up. Everyone back up.
Back up.
So you want to shoot it?
Back up at least 15 feet.
Shoot, stand off here. Put this in and shoot it.
All right, you got to count from 10. Camden, count down from 10.
哦。 We can do the other one.
Watch out! Everyone's stepping on the launching device.
But that was my fourth experience, so this is gonna be my fifth.
Wow.
Get those Chris, those little
The big one? Watch out, guys. I wouldn't touch that. I wouldn't touch
I
that.
told you. It's not
Guys.
Well, listen, guys.
It's not hot.
We'll do another one.
It's warm, but